Best Urban Motorcycles 2025, Triumph Speed 400. As the anticipation for the 2025 model year grows, the Triumph Speed 400 remains a formidable contender for the title of Best Urban Motorcycle. This compact and stylish streetfighter offers a unique blend of performance, agility, and affordability. Description and function: the Triumph Speed 400 is a lightweight and maneuverable streetfighter designed for urban commuting and weekend riding. Powered by a 397 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, the Speed 400 delivers a peppy performance that is well-suited for city streets and winding roads. Its upright riding position, comfortable ergonomics, and minimalist design make it easy to maneuver in traffic and on tight corners. Context and background: Triumph, a British motorcycle manufacturer with a rich history dating back to 1885, has expanded its lineup of modern street bikes in recent years. The Speed 400 is part of the company's Speed series, which is known for its sporty and aggressive styling. How it works: the Speed 400's engine delivers power to the rear wheel through a 6-speed transmission. The bike is equipped with a variety of electronic aids, including ABS and traction control, to enhance safety and performance. The Speed 400 also features a digital instrument cluster that provides riders with essential information such as speed, RPM, fuel level, and trip data. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: affordable price point, fuel efficient, lightweight and maneuverable, easy to ride, sporty styling. Disadvantages: less powerful than larger displacement motorcycles, limited storage space, not as well suited for long-distance touring. Relevance and use for the audience: the Triumph Speed 400 is a suitable choice for riders who are seeking a stylish and affordable urban motorcycle. Its lightweight design, agile handling, and fuel efficiency make it ideal for city commuting and weekend rides. The Speed 400 is also a popular choice for new riders and those who are looking for a practical and reliable motorcycle. Whether you're navigating city traffic or exploring winding country roads, the Triumph Speed 400 offers a thrilling and enjoyable riding experience.